Blessings, warriors. I am back again with another video. This time it's about a delicious alkaline juice recipe. It is great for cleansing the body, and it's so easy to add to your daily recipe. You can add it early in the morning, right before you go to bed. It's so great because it gives you a good amount of nutrients that you need for the day. So you can just easily make a cup or two, and that will set your body with the amount of nutrients you need for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the other side. Bye, guys. Was the green juice recipe. If you noticed, I used a blender, not a juicer. So for those of you, if you don't have a juicer and you want to make green juice, you can easily just use a blender. Any green juice you want to make, the juice will come out of the strainer, but the fiber will remain in the strainer. You want to throw the fiber in the strainer away and keep the juice. And this is only if you don't have a juicer. If you have a juicer, the juicer will do it for you. But if you don't have a juicer and you don't want to buy a juicer, you can incorporate this method with any juice you're trying to make. But if you do have a juicer, you can easily just put those same ingredients into the juicer and it will simply do it for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope that you guys can easily try it and incorporate it into your diet. If you do try it out, send the information underneath this video. I want to know if you like it, what you thought about it, and it's so easy to do, and it gives you that nutrient you need for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful, lovely day.